everyone, this is KJ Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Kingdom, Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will gonna do another reaction video from Sofronio Vasquez. So this song or this cover is an iconic song, should I say. This is from Whitney Houston, isn't it? Which is the title of the song is The Greatest Love of All. So this one, if you were gonna sing this song, you have to fully prepare the emotions that you were gonna invest in this song because, as what I've said, this is an iconic song. Plus, aside from iconic song, something like this is an inspirational song as well. So let's check it out how Sofronio will gonna execute this song, and at the same time, I just wanna see what is his emotions that he will gonna invest this song and what is the arrangement. Because every time that I'm making a reaction video to Sofronio, there is a lot of twist, should I say. There is a lot of changes on the said song that he is covering or he is making a cover. But then again, the respect to the original song or to the original arrangement of the song was still there. So yeah, I guess I'm talking too much. Again, this is a reaction video, guys. If you don't want that to something like there's an interruption every time that you were gonna watch the video of Soprano, you can go to his channel and you can find the said something like cover or original video. I will just put the said link on the description box so that it will be easy for you to find. So yeah, without further ado, let's start this reaction video.
I believe the children are our future. Teach them well and let them
Oh my
lead.
god, the emotion.
Show them all the
Oh my god, the
beauty
emotion.
they possess inside. Give them a sense of
Wow.
pride
Wow, I love that arrangement.
to make it easier. Let the children's
Wait a minute, can I just pause for a while? Let me just pause for a while. I just want to make some my thoughts and opinions about this video since it was already 1 minute um uh, before I pause. Usually after 10 seconds, I am making a pause so that I can reiterate, should I say, or something like my thoughts and opinions about how how he started a sad song, because that is the really important part to a singer, that if ever that he will gonna perform the song, or he will perform to sing a song, it's just like the very important one is the first word of the song, how you will gonna catch or caught the attention of the viewers and listeners as well. Okay, my goodness gracious, that introduction. That introduction, I don't want to cry for today's video since tomorrow is the Christmas Eve, and at the same time, it's only 7:34 in the morning here in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. But then again, I can't help it. That introduction is full of emotions. His execution there is so subtle, so solemn, so soulful. But you know, it really kills me. I was really moved by that introduction though. The way he sing this song, and then there is something like a changes. But yeah, let's continue. Let's continue without pauses, okay? I will try my very best. I will try my very best.
I believe the children are our future. Teach them well and let them lead the way.
Oh,
Show them all the beauty they possess inside.
oh my god, this is so good.
Give them a sense of pride to make it easier.
The quality.
Let the children's laughter remind us how we
Wow.
used to be. Everybody searching
Love how he delivered it.
Someone to look up to. I never found anyone who fulfilled my needs. A lonely place to be, and so I
This is so good, seriously.
to
Okay, let's
depend
do this, Sofronio.
on me. I decided long ago never to walk in anyone's shadows. If I fail, if I succeed, at least I live
Nice key
as
changes.
I believe.
Wow.
No matter what they take
He really
from
loves to
me,
prolong.
they can take away my dignity, because
Because.
the
Oh my god.
greatest love of all
Oh my
is
god.
happening to me. I found the
Oh my god. This is so
greatest
crazy.
love
I really cannot.
inside
I really cannot.
of me. The greatest love of all.
Wow.
It's easy to achieve.
Ooh.
Learning to love yourself, it is the greatest love of all. And if I
Nice.
sense a special place that you've been dreaming of, leads you to a lonely
Yes.
place. Find
Okay.
your strength in
Wow. Wow. Oh my god. And he sustained that. He really sustained that. Wow. Already done? Oh my god. And he really sustained that. Oh my god. Alright, that is our for today's video, which is the greatest love of all. Wow. That was an amazing and most soulful cover of the greatest love of all. He didn't overpower the sad song. It's just like he just put the emotions that he is not just like putting some emotions based on the lyrics of the song, but I think he is putting some kind of emotions that he really felt naturally while doing this cover. So yeah, that is our for today's video. This is KJ Vlogs, and see you on my next vlog. Bye!